This video explains how to install vertical louvre blinds. You will need a steel tape measure, a pencil, plus some common DIY tools. You may also need a stepladder. To install inside a window recess, position the face-fix brackets 10 centimetres from each end of the blind, with any intermediate brackets evenly spaced between. If using top-fix brackets, use the face-fix brackets to mark the top hole position, taking into account any window handles which may require the bracket's position to be moved further out from the frame. If you are unsure what you are fixing to, use a small steel drill bit to determine the material. For timber, use the wood screws supplied. For plaster or masonry, use plastic plugs and screws or plasterboard fixings. For steel, use self-tapping screws with a steel drill bit, all available from your hardware store. Locate the headrail into the brackets and gently tighten the locating screws to hold the rail into position and ensure the blind is secure. Now you are ready to hang the vanes or louvres. Hang them one at a time at 90 degrees to the window as shown. Now fix the child safety cleat. If your blind is to be installed onto the outside of the recess, then position the blind centrally and mark the bracket positions, and then follow the same procedure as fitting to the inside of the recess. It's easy when you do it the direct blinds way.